Hello everyone, I am Fiona. Today we are going to explain the whole process of installing nameplates on EPS mold. First, you can see that there is a nameplate requested at the bottom of each postal box cover. Then, manually drill 2 holes in the circled area in the video. The disadvantage of manually drilling holes to install the nameplate is that it is not as smooth as laser engraving, and it will leave marks on the nameplate. The advantage is that the nameplate can be replaced at any time. At this point, the installation of the nameplate has been completed. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.